Have you ever felt कि तुम कुछ भी करते हो तो लोग scandalize हो जाते हैं? Sometimes just our existence and us doing the most basic things is enough for people to go like,
क्यों ऐसा बिहेव कर रही हो?
when Deepika Padukone's cleavage made the first page, when Rajni Chandi was trolled for being too sexy for an old woman, when a big deal was made out of Malaika Arora's stretch marks, Swastika was trolled for choosing an offbeat hairstyle, Fatima Sana trolled for bikini pictures and then for sari pictures. कुछ भी बात पे लोग scandalize हो जाते हैं. And because of that, many women feel the need to police themselves. And that's something we need to stop doing. As a woman living in an Indian society, we are much more conscious of how we conduct ourselves in public. You check your dress before going out कि कहीं कुछ ज़्यादा तो नहीं दिख रहा. And अगर दिख रहा है तो कितना दिख रहा है और जितना दिख रहा है, is that acceptable? I feel like us women have to do so many calculations every day. You know, possibility is that you will be slut shamed no matter what you do. You also watch your opinions and wonder, did I speak too much? But do we need to worry so much? No. So here are 10 things that scandalize our Indian society, our sanskari society, and we wish it would just stop. First is female masturbation. जाके Google करो कि कितने benefits हैं इसके and how it is a healthy part of a woman's life. But इंडिया में लोग इसको sin consider करते हैं. ब्रेकिंग न्यूज नहीं है सुनिए, पढ़ लो प्लीज जाके, थोड़ा गूगल करो, रिसर्च करो. सेकंड इज ब्रा स्ट्रैप बीइंग विजिबल. हाँ दिख रही है यार मेरी स्ट्रैप, क्या बिग डील है इसमें? इट इज जस्ट अ गारमेंट, कैन यू प्लीज स्टॉप बीइंग वियर्ड अबाउट इट. नंबर थर्ड इज चूजिंग टू नॉट हैव अ चाइल्ड. ओह सो मच स्कैंडल. It just feels like having a child is mandatory for a married woman. You know, if you want to be accepted as a respectable member of the society. Is there nothing more to an Indian woman's life than embracing motherhood? Next is not being a virgin before marriage. हमारी body आपकी property नहीं है. As adults, don't we have the right to choose for ourselves? The right to live life on our own terms. And why must we feel ashamed of our desires? Next up is the classic. Wearing short clothes. If a woman wears short clothes, it's still considered that she's asking for it. Understand that our clothes are in no way related to consent and sex.
If she's asking for it, she can just ask for it because it is available, I promise you.
Next up is an older woman having a relationship. Single, separated, divorced, widowed, or just women who live on their own. You know, after a certain age, they are subjected to intense scrutiny by society. Again, it's our life. Please back off. And this leads to the next big scandal. Not wanting to get married. अगर किसी को नहीं करनी शादी तो उसकी क्या जबरदस्ती शादी कराओगे? And who said single women cannot be happy? Shouldn't you rather not marry until you find a compatible partner rather than being in an unhappy marriage? Next up is live-in relationships. Isn't it better to test your compatibility with a person before entering a lifelong relationship with them? Male friends. You know, in a big city, hanging out with guy friends is considered very normal. But smaller cities, if you're chilling out with a guy, then you're characterless. Why? Oh, I should just get married and stay with that one guy and I should be a one-man woman. है ना? What logic? Last thing is talking openly about periods. Skirt पे stain लग गया? Okay, go run. Run to the washroom and hide so that no one sees you. Because if they see you, you will be shamed. Periods are natural. Periods are normal. It's a monthly occurrence, a big part of my life. So of course we're going to talk about it. Well, to all the women watching, you can either live your life carefully, following each one of society's rules, taking a lot of care कि तुम किसी को गलती से भी scandalize ना कर दो. But chances है कि तब भी वो लोग scandalize होंगे, शायद तब भी वो approve ना करे तुम्हारे character का. So इसलिए better है कि तुम खुद को ही approve कर दो. And just live your life however you want to. ताकि तुमसे कोई और खुश रहे या ना रहे, but तुम खुद से खुश रहो.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos by us.